Good morning, everybody. I hope you had a great weekend. Today's really short. We're really going to just kind of finish up talking about Macbeth's soliloquy in Scene 7. Remember, those of you that have not finished your Scene 4 through 7 assessment from Friday, you have until today at midnight, and then it will lock. You'll no longer be allowed to take it after today. If you look at this PAPE analysis of Macbeth's soliloquy in Scene 7, this goes through our acronym of persona, audience, purpose, and exigence, using examples from that soliloquy. So the line numbers were given to you here at the beginning, so you can go back and follow along with that. And just look at how we're working in the appearance versus reality motif, talking a little bit about the purpose of a soliloquy, and then ultimately looking at how those rhetorical strategies are used to accomplish his purpose, and what other strategies he uses within there. So he uses personal experience and observation, compare and contrast, and figurative language. And note that these pieces of examples here are the actual Shakespearean version and not the modern translation, which is really important for you to start looking at as you're taking your notes. So for today, you're just going to answer this discussion board entry on how you would describe Lady Macbeth or Macbeth, or both, and support your response with examples and or descriptions. Don't necessarily need specific evidence at this point. It is preferred, but it's not required, and there is no length requirement or anything. But definitely spend some time exploring the complexity within either of these characters or both, because it is going to pay off. It is something that you can use eventually. And then just note your interpretations versus that of your peers. Feel free to comment on each other's, feel free to respond or ask questions, or you're not limited to just yours, okay? Tomorrow, remember, we're going to talk a little bit about your upcoming Macbeth research paper. Remember, I told you to prepare yourself since the directions and the examples are quite long. So it would be best if you were in Zoom tomorrow so that we can discuss those at length. So plan to spend some processing time. Plan to take some notes or print it out if you can. And you'll be working with some things as well with those instructions. All right, guys. Have a good day. We'll see you guys tomorrow. Take care.